something. How do you do it all while never budging? You rule the world but make it look like nothing. Such a boss. Hey, true or false? It take about 20 men to do your job. The kingdom never fails when there's a queen in charge. Girl, don't stop.
How many times do you check what liquids should you take with you on your travels? What toiletries should you put in your hand luggage? Hello and welcome to my channel. I am your host Yanika, speaking about traveling and positivity into life. Today's video I'm going to speak about the toiletries that I carry with me on my travels. I decided to do this video due at the moment 2020 I'm not traveling, so I decided to get out my toiletries, see a bit what I carry with me on my travels, to make a video for you to describe what I put in my toiletry bag. So let's start. What I take, I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, because it's kind of a guide for you what you should put in your toiletry to be kind of minimalist, but I'm gonna say what I put in my bag. So first of all, let's get with the liquids. I travel with a hand luggage, so normally when a hand luggage you have to have around 10 bottles of 100 milliliters. That's approximately more or less. So here I have this plastic zip bag. This I got it from an airport. They provided us this from the security because we had to put all our liquids in this zip bag. So imagine if the bottles actually they don't fit in here, they will take the bottle and the liquid that you have in it. So everything has to fit in this kind of bag. So I already packed it since it's a bit difficult to fit everything, so you need a bit of patience to fit everything so tightly. Yes, I think I have a bit of many bottles, but I'm thinking to make a change in these bottles, so I'll try to be more minimalist and try to use less liquids. But that's not in this video, so keep watching and maybe there will be another video in this channel, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now I'm going to take this pocket. In here I'll carry the makeup. I'm speaking about the makeup and put it under the toiletries because the mascara and the foundation and the lip gloss are under the liquids requirement, so they will be put in this bag. I already don't travel with a lip gloss because I found the lipsticks and the lip balm more useful to travel with. So in here I'll just have the foundation and the mascara. Yes, that's a bit unfortunate for girls because if they use the makeup, it is a carry-on that we add in our bag. And then here I will carry my sharpener and brushes, the lipstick, lip pencil, also the blusher and the eyeshadow. They are all small and compact. Eyeshadow I don't use it that often. Normally it's just basic makeup, the foundation and the powder. I have it also here. That's what I use for makeup. The eyeshadow, I'll only use it occasionally, but it's a small case, so I'll just put it in this bag. And I also have this pocket. It's plastic, but it's reusable with zip, so normally everything here goes in here, so this will go in the bathroom when I carry to use it. In here I already put the brush and patina. I've got the wipes for the face to clean it after the makeup. And some clips that I put to tie my hair up. I've got also these kind of clips with me. And for the nails, I'll always carry this clipper and the nail file. Nail clipper is very important, especially when I go on hiking, trekking, to remove the nails of my toes, because it will be painful if they are a little bit bigger than the normal size for the shoes. So I also gonna explain what I have in this bag. I also have this container with my toothbrush. I invested one in the bamboo toothbrushes, so I'll try to save a little bit of plastic. Yes, that's the bamboo toothbrush. Now what I have in here, so I'm gonna open this plastic bag. It's really annoying. So my mascara, this can go there, and the toothpaste. Normally I found also useful the carry-on to be a smaller travel size toothpaste. This the foundation, roll-on deodorant, this is a container that I had something else in it. I cleaned it and now I carry my conditioner in it. So yes, a reusable container. It's a travel size because it's only 50 milliliters and it's very comfortable to use for the conditioner. I use that. This is another bottle that is reusable from another liquid. So when it's emptied, I clean it as well, and I carry the shampoo in that. I also have sunscreen. This is especially for my face, mostly used. So yes, sunscreen, it's important. The moisturizer, I'm not getting any products because I change a lot of products, but this is the moisturizer. So yeah, it's a moisturizer for my face. And this, normally I'll carry the face toner. This is a bottle that I bought as a set. They were all kind like this, but this is the most that I use. For the toner, I fill this one normally with the bigger one that I buy, and I travel with this face toner. And in here it's empty. I didn't fill anything to travel because currently I'm not traveling. And in this bottle, normally I put the liquid soap to have a shower. When I go to hotels or such accommodations, they will offer, so it will be very easy to use from theirs. And this I'll carry it just in case I don't find. Maybe then when I arrive at the destination, I'll buy something bigger. It depends how long my trip is. But yes, this will be my soap. And also I can include my sponge. So yes, the ducky sponge. At the moment I have this. I'll change it also very frequently, and this is the plastic that the airport offered to me. Like that, I will be putting the conditioner in the container, and it would be easy to travel and put everything. This is easy for the hand luggage, so to carry on, that's what I travel with. I don't normally take the big luggages. It depends where I will be going and what I will be doing during my travels. But normally this is my type of travel currently. So currently last year. But yes, I tried to make a demonstration what I'll take with me on my travels usually. But I am sure that when all these kind of products will finish soon, I'm gonna change them. So I'll try to make an update video later on this year. So that's it. That's my travel products for toiletries. And now I want to hear from you. Let me know down in the comments below what toiletries, what other toiletries, what products do you use? Let me know down in the comments section below. I want to hear from you. And if you have any suggestions about other videos that you want to hear and talk about on the travel and positive into life, just let me know down in the comments as well. And don't forget, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me and I appreciate your support. And also you can check out my Instagram and also my Facebook page. The links are all in the description below. And also there are all useful links for traveling that you might use and can bookmark for the future. So make sure to check out the description below. Thank you for hanging out with me today and seeing my products. And see you next week. Ciao, ciao.
Hey, true or false? It take about 20 men to do your job. The kingdom never fails when there's a queen in charge. Girl, don't stop.